So today we're making a smoked herring choka, and we have half an onion chopped up, and we have 4 cloves of garlic, 4 cherry peppers, 5 smoked herring we're gonna roast. We're gonna put it in the aluminum foil and wrap it up. So after 10 minutes of roasting, it's done, and we've been flipping it every 3 minutes. So this is all the bones and the skin that we took off, and this is what we're left with. So we're gonna add the onion and the garlic and the pepper. We're gonna mix it all together. So we heat up 3 teaspoons of oil. We're just gonna pour it in there.